Your Genesis has a state-of-the-art automatic climate control system that is designed to keep you comfortable. While the system is very intuitive and easy to operate, it is still best to understand it fully to ensure that it's operating at its most efficient and comfortable mode. The automatic climate control system is a 3-zone system. This means that the driver and front passenger have their own climate zone, where they can control the temperature individually, while the rear seat passengers have their own single climate zone. The easiest and most efficient way to control the interior temperature is by using the auto function. When engaged, then the fan speed, air intake, air conditioning, and air direction will be controlled automatically according to the temperature you set. To set it, press the auto button. Then rotate the dial to set the desired temperature. The system will then work to attain that temperature and maintain it. When in auto mode, the climate control system will automatically work as quickly as possible to bring the vehicle temperature to the desired setting. But sometimes you may wish to change the fan speed while still keeping the climate control system in auto mode. You can do this on the touchscreen by selecting high, medium, or low. Doing so will change the automatic maximum fan speed between high, medium, and low settings. The desired temperature will still be maintained with only the maximum fan speed changing. Other settings will remain in auto. You can also use the fan speed toggle to increase or decrease fan speed with greater precision. You can set the climate control system to synchronize temperatures for all 3 zones. To do so, press the sync button. Once engaged, the sync light will illuminate. In sync mode, the temperature of all zones is controlled by the driver's temperature control and driver mode selection. Pressing the sync button again will turn off sync mode for all zones. Turning the passenger side temperature knob or adjusting the rear seat temperature or fan speed will also turn off sync for that particular zone. The windshield defrost feature is used to remove frost, fog, and thin ice from the outside of the front windshield, as well as fog from the inside of the front windshield. The airflow direction feature allows you to control where airflow is directed in the climate control system. To change the airflow, press the arrows on the touchscreen to direct the flow. You can direct air toward the face, toward the floor, or from the driver's side controls toward the windshield. You can also direct air toward multiple zones if you wish. Note that small amounts of air may also continue to flow out of different vents than the ones selected. This is to ensure comfort and air quality as well as provide airflow across windows as needed. For more helpful information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult My Genesis.